Alrighty, it's a nice, cloudy, cool day here in Florida. The sun came out for 3 minutes, I think, but feels good outside. So I'm in the back 2.5 here working on the chicken coop, and I want to show you what I got done. So check this out. So the first thing I got done was I got the chicken coop where I wanted it. It's about 120 inches from the fence there. So I guess about 10 feet. And I put some pavers down with sand under them, and I actually got it pretty level, I think. Check this out. That ain't bad, right? So got it level, and then I put the deck on. So I made a fence so I could cut this pretty straight. Still didn't cut it as straight as I wanted, but anyway, 6 foot and by 4 foot, put that deck on, and then put the top plate on. And you know, I'm not very good at this. I've been screwing everything together so I could make mistakes and back them out, but I use these 2.5 inch screws here, and they have a little hex head on them, so it's really easy to put them in and pull them back out with the right bit. And that way I can make some mistakes. So I had to toenail that one in so it would hold onto this 4x4, and then I got it screwed in, 2 screws here and here. And then I had to toenail it in here so this one would hold on the 4x4. And same thing over here, and you can see how dumb I am. I didn't pre-drill it, so I split it because I got too close. That's all right, it'll hold, it's just chickens. So, you know, my joints aren't perfect and my saw cuts aren't perfect, but like I said, it's just chickens. So what'll happen is this side will be the front of the coop, and the chickens will come out a door that's going to be about right here, and then they will be able to go this way about 8 feet in a run. And then I'm going to put hardware cloth down the side, and then this will be all boarded up here, and maybe a little window right here. Then on this side, a little window right here, and right here will be the egg box, the nesting box, so we can just lift the lid and gather eggs. So back here I have a couple of windows right here and here, and then down here I'll have about a 12-inch high, maybe 8-inch high piece of wood that's like a tailgate. Drop down, sweep all the crap out of it, and then right in the compost pile. So I think it'll work pretty cool. Now I'm out of lumber, so I'm about to head to Lowe's to get the rest of the framing materials and the roof structure. And who knows, maybe I'll have it ready for siding by this evening.